Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and in today's video I will be doing my very first unboxing. I'm super excited about this video because, like I said, I've never done an unboxing before and it's my very first one, so I hope you guys enjoy. I ordered a Coach bag from the outlet maybe like 3 or 4 days ago, and honestly this bag came in 2 days. Now, I ordered a bag before and I did a what's in my bag review on that purse, so if you haven't seen that video, pause this video right now and go check it out. It's this bag back there. That's my beauty, my baby. So yeah, I did a what's in my bag on that purse, and now I ordered another one and I'm super excited. So here's the box it came in. Like I said, it came in 2 days, and I was honestly really shocked because even the other purse that I ordered, it took a minute. So yeah, got my scissors and let's open it up. Oh, okay, yep. I don't know why, I think I'm super warm. Alright. I'm excited! Throw the box, make sure my name is covered. Throw the box up there. Alright, so already the packaging is beautiful. It is packaged nicely. It's not like they're just, I've seen like a couple of reviews where the purse is just in the bag. No, we're not gonna play those games. So let's go ahead and open her up. Of course, before I open it, it comes with the paper and all the information about the purse, just in case I need to send her back. Hopefully not, fingers crossed. And it is still, so I'm opening it, and she is still packaged to the T, packaged to the T, honey. So she is still packaged. I am still taking paper off, so let me speed me up a little bit. Okay, I need y'all, they was not playing with this packaging. Okay, I am still taking paper off, y'all. Bear with me. I'm gonna have paper everywhere, but I am not mad at it. I am not. Maybe more paper under there. Okay. I'm just gonna keep the tag on for right now. Okay, look at her. Let's get into the bag. I am in love. I am absolutely in love. It looks even better in person than it does online. I'm in love. I'm sorry, baby. She might take your spot just for a little while. We not have to share. Look at it. Okay, so as you all can see, oh well, let me fix that in a minute. As you all can see, here is the bag. It has the classic C's, and we have some rainbow quilting. We have Coach in the middle. Here's the side, the back, the other side. Here's the straps, or you can make it a crossbody. So here's the other strap. It's not hooked on yet. Let me see. I can hook it on right quick. So yeah, you can make it. You can carry it on your shoulder. Of course, it is adjustable if I do want to carry it that way. Like I said, I can completely remove the straps. So there we remove the straps. Sorry, it's doing a lot of cutting. I'm gonna remove the strap. Okay, so this is really cute. So I might just be like, you know how girls be with their little purse. Okay, so let me get into some details about the purse. This is the signature strap Dempsey, the 22-inch. Check her out again. So we're gonna open it up on the inside. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, it does have the Coach tag on it as well. So the inside, we put her up. Okay. I say this purse was packaged to the T, honey. Packaged to the T. Can't even get the paper off. Okay, obviously I need scissors. Alright, help, SOS, good gracious. So here is the inside of the bag. Super cute. And it does have a snap. So it's just a magnetic snap. There you go. So nobody's gonna stick their little hands in your little bag. This is so cute. And like, I'm a bag girl, but I tend to go towards like smaller bags, and this one is different because a lot of my bags are like those, like the crossbody that just like flaps over. This is the actual, like, I don't know, just like a little mini tote, and it closes. This is absolutely cute, and then I like it too because it has the little pieces on the bottom, so it's not exactly like on the table or, you know, wherever you set it. Yes, this is the purse. I am really happy with my purchase. If you want to order this purse, like I said, I went to the Coach outlet website, and honestly, I think the purse was just probably down the street at the outlet store because it came in 2 days. So check your local Coach outlet stores to see if the bag is there. If not, then check it out online, baby, because she is cute and I'm gonna wear her all the time with everything. And honestly, this is gonna match everything. I mean, it's brown and it has the different colors. What is it not going to match? Yeah. But anyways, guys, I just wanted to do that quick unboxing for you all. Like I said, I am super happy with my purchase. Make sure you go check it out, and if you purchase the bag or order it, let me know. If you find any other bags, let me know about those too, because honey, I want to see and I love to shop. I'm thinking about doing a whole purse collection review, so let me know if you guys want to see that. And until next time, make sure you share this video with your family and friends. Give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe and comment if you haven't already. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.